Welcome to the H-Series Media Edge Guide, or MEG kit, installation and usage video. The H-Series MEG kit includes MEG skis and a MEG media block. The MEG ski thickness is identifiable by the engraved number on the end of the ski, seen here as 0.125 inches and here as 0.094 inches. To install the MEG on a ViewTech H-Series printer, place the skis on the MEG rail by sliding the mounting bracket onto the rail using the opening located near the edge of the vacuum belt on the operator side. Slide the first ski as far right as possible. Slide the second ski onto the rail and push it to the left. Now that the skis have been installed, check the Motion tab in the ViewTech UI to see the MEG ski sensor is now activated. The MEG sensor is also activated on the Held Jobs queue screen. Next, install the MEG media block onto the media fence. First, remove the two nuts and washers from the media block. Next, remove the 2-bolt mounting bracket and slide it onto the media fence track. Place the media block on the mounting bolts. Place the washers on the mounting bolts. Place the nuts on the mounting bolts, but do not fully tighten them at this time. Slide the media block until the inside corner is aligned with the 1-inch mark on the media fence ruler. Tighten the nuts with the supplied tool. In the ViewTech UI, subtract 1 inch from the current media right value. Change the print height value to 0.09 inches. Load your first sheet. Lower the media roller and raise the media fence. Then touch the jog forward button to move the media through the printer. Touch the jog forward button again to stop the movement when the media reaches the end of the MEG ski. Align the first MEG ski to the edge of the media. Use the alignment holes to align the edge of the media halfway through the holes. Tighten the 2 MEG ski mounting bolts to secure the ski in place. Align the second MEG ski to the other edge of the media. Again, align the ski so the media is halfway through the alignment holes. Tighten the 2 MEG ski mounting bolts of the second ski to secure the ski in place. Once all the skis are tightened, ensure the media is still aligned properly. Adjust the ski position as needed. Next, adjust the ski height. The MEG ski mounting bracket has 2 brass wheels used to adjust the ski height. Turning both wheels in the same direction, adjust the height bolt, as seen here. Turning both brass wheels in the opposite direction, also adjust the height bolt. Tighten the black thumb screw to lock the brass wheels in place and secure the height position. Now, adjust the height of the MEG skis on the printer. First, loosen the black thumb screw. Next, turn the brass wheels to raise or lower the ski until the ski is just touching the media. You can see here, the ski is too high, resulting in a gap between the ski and the media. Turn the brass wheels to lower the ski and remove the gap. Tighten the black thumb screw to secure the height position. Repeat this process for the remaining skis. For 2-up printing, a third ski must be installed. Loosen the mounting bolt on the second ski and slide it to the left. Install a third ski onto the MEG rail. Lower the media fence and load the first sheet of media. Slide the middle ski into position by aligning the short white line located on the back of the ski with the edge of the media. Tighten the 2 mounting bolts to secure the ski position. Load a second sheet of media and slide it under the middle ski, aligning the edge with the long white line located on the back of the ski. Lower the media fence. Align a corner media block with the edge of the media. Secure in place by tightening the nuts. Raise the media fence and remove the media. Lower the media fence and load the media to each corner media block. Touch the jog forward button to move the media through the printer. Touch again to stop the movement when the media reaches the end of the MEG ski. Align the last MEG ski to the edge of the second media. Tighten the 2 MEG ski mounting bolts to secure the ski in place. Remember to adjust the height of all skis before printing. In the ViewTech UI Machine Offsets window, change the number of active media to 2. Measure the location of the second media. In the ViewTech UI, adjust the media write value for media 2. The MEG kit is now installed and configured, and the printer is ready to print.